Hi guys, myself again. This video we shall solve the problem on LeetCode. Sort the characters by frequency. So given a string is sorted in the decreasing order based on the frequency of the characters. So the frequency of the character is the number of times it's appearing on the string. So return the sorted string if there are multiple answers written any one of them. So the first example 3. Okay. So the given string is 3. You could say T is appearing once, R is appearing once, and E is appearing twice. And we have to return and resultant string such that the characters are in the decreasing order. Number of times the frequency of the characters appearing in the string are in the decreasing order. So highest number of times the character is appearing is E, that is 2 times. So first the resultant of this will be first E and we have to print it 2 times. Next, either of these, either R can be first or T can be first. So either EERT can be answer or EETR also can be the answer. So it should be in the decreasing order. That's what the answer. And let's say there are multiple answers can be also present. This is what the multiple answer they are telling about. So this is one example. So other example could be CCCAAA. Here you could see C is appearing thrice and A is also appearing thrice. So answer can be either CCCAA or EAACCC. And one more thing which we need to notice is we cannot write CACACA since both are the same character must be how many times it's appearing, they must be adjacent to each other. They cannot be in the alternative positions. You cannot write CA, no, or CAAACC. No, even this is also not acceptable because C should be all must be together only. Then other example is EABB. So here they are taking the capital or small letter, the K is also into the consideration. So A is considered different, small a is considered different, capital and small a. So capital is appearing once, small a is appearing once, and B is appearing twice. So the decreasing order means it will go like this. So B, B, either A can be answered or B, B, small a, then capital A. So either of these are considered as answers. So this is a question. So clearly you could see when I'm doing these structures, you will get an idea what are we doing here. So these are nothing but we are doing the map. You could use map ordered or unordered map. It's not a problem. In Java we use the hash map. So that's already ordered. So in C++ we have ordered unordered option, so we use unordered map only. So once you have we store this in unordered map. Now if you take this example and we have stored this in unordered map. So we have stored this in map. So map is having character then integer, made up of character and then integer. So each character how many times the frequency of that is stored in the value key will be character. So this is the map. Once you store this in the map, now we have to arrange this in the decreasing order so that you can print them in this fashion. So how do you arrange this in decreasing order? So either you can use the vector of type pair, okay, and that pair is formed of character comma int. Let's name it as v. So in that first vector will be e comma. Okay, it's not the first vector. So what we'll do is so vector will contain t comma 1. Okay, other pair will be r comma 1. Then other pair will be e comma 2. So this is the vector you have. So now what you have to do, you have to solve this vector based on the. So in vector, if we have pair, we have if I is the each element in the vector, then it. So it dot first will point to, if it's it is pointing to first vector pair, so it's pointing to t, and it dot second, it is pointing to 1. So what we can do? So we have to give a comparison of, we have to sort the vector pair of pair by sorting them in the decreasing order based on the value, the second value. So how do you do that? So for that what we do is vector, okay, sort of vector dot first, not first, begin. So vector dot begin. So this are all I'm saying from C++. For Java, I'll show the code at then. Now just to understand the concept logic behind this. So next vector.n, then you have to compare it. So we'll give a function for this compare. Let's say compare function. So compare function we have to do, if it returns true, then sort in this order, and if it returns false, sort in the opposite order. What do you mean by that? So comparison function will have a boolean compare, and that will have two pairs. Let's say a comma b. Okay. So if based on what we have to compare, a dot second value. If a dot second return, if a dot second is greater than a dot b dot second. So based on the second value, we could go on comparing. So if we compare the function after this, if the resultant vector will be nothing but e comma 2, then the same r t comma 1 and r comma 1. So this is the resultant vector after the sorting function. So once you sort and we get this, now easily you can iterate in the vector, each element in the vector. If this is it, so for each element you use auto in the C++, you know, it's typecasting data type. So in the vector, what you have to do based on the second value. So for before doing this, we have to create empty string to store the resultant. So let's have a resultant as an empty string, resultant string. So for int I equal to 0 till I lesser than, based on what, how many times you should be 22 times. So I lesser than it dot second only, and I plus plus. So now what we need to do? Answer plus equals to id dot first. We need to add character. How many times? 2 times. So first we will add EE 2 times, next we will move here T 1 time, next we will move here R 1 time. So this is the resultant answer. You could say it's matching. So in a nutshell, if I need to quickly iterate to the logic again, so you store in the map. So once you store in the map, you have to create a vector of pairs. So store them, then you sort them using this comparison operator. Once you sort them, just create an empty string and store each pair characters with respect to the frequency in the resultant string and return answer. So this is with respect to C++. For Java, I'll show the code and I'll explain. So now we'll quickly program this. So at first what we need to create? Map. So unordered map. First is of character, next is of int. Let's name it as map. So now what you have to do? You have to insert all the characters into the map. So for 2 into the in the string s, or we can give each character and give it. So each character in the string is, we have to give map of C plus plus. You can go on increment. So after this is done now. So this part is done. This part is done. Now you have to create the vector. So let's create a vector. Vector of type pair. So first is character, next is int. So let's name it as p. So once you create the vector, you have to add them to the vector as well, right? So just iterate to the map. Then we dot push back of the pair. So what does the pair contain? It dot first and it dot second. So it dot first, it dot first, comma, it dot second. Okay, now pushing is done. Now next what we need to do? So pushing is done. So next becomes the sort part. So we'll write sort of v dot begin, vector dot begin, comma, vector dot end. And main comes the comparison operator. So let's write the function to compare. So this is the main important part. So The return type is boolean and let's say the static because inside the class only it should be acceptable. So let's compare. So for comparing what we need two pairs. So we'll write pair character comma in, then referencing them. First is A, similarly other pair. Referencing them, let's name it as B. So based on what are we comparing? A first we have to return whether A dot second is greater than B dot second. We are comparing based on this second values. So based on this, we do this. So once you compare, you return this. So it will sort and give this function now. Now you have to iterate over here. So for auto iterate in the vector. So before do this, we have to create an empty string. Let's name it as answer equal to empty string. Either you can initialize them or not initialize, it's okay. Next, iterate for int I equal to 0, I less than based on the second value. So it dot second or I equal to 1, I less than equal to you can give. Either 1, if you give, then equal to you have to give. If you give 0, then just lesser than you have to give. So next, I plus plus. So now we have to add that one answer of plus equals to it dot first. That particular character will be added the number of times it's given. So you will have this answer. So at last, you need to return the answer. Okay, a small mistake. So here the compare spelling was wrong. Okay, oh my god, yeah, yeah. So there is another method to solve this problem as well. That is, instead of using this vector, we can use priority queue. So you have this hash map. Instead of using this vector, we can use priority queue. Let's see how. So 2 is appearing once, R is appearing once, and E is appearing twice. So we have this in hash map. So once you have this hash map, you can use priority queue. So in priority queue, you know it stores the elements based on some priority. So what priority is this? Is the priority what we need. So we create a priority queue and you add elements based on this. So for priority queue, if you need to store based on the value, then how? So priority queue must be of pair only. So first it will be integer, then it will be character. So that 2 comma e, then again we have 1 comma r, 1 comma t. So if you store like this, based on priority, it will store in the priority queue. So this will be helpful. Once you store this, then it's the same procedure. How do you iterate? Until the priority queue is empty, you keep on adding. So what I'll do is, the map function will be the same way. So this I'll comment it for now. Okay. I'll write the priority queue over here. So priority queue. So we have the priority queue of type pair. So first will be of name, next will be of character. So that based on the frequency it will prioritize the it will store the elements in the queue. So now for auto IT PQ dot push. Here no pushback. In priority queue we have push. So same it dot second, comma it dot first. Why it dot second? Since first we are storing the frequency, then we are using the character. So frequency, character. In the map, it was in the reverse order. That's what. So once you have this in parity queue, now again create an empty string. Next, again iterate over the priority queue or until priority queue is not empty. PQ dot empty. So what we have to do now? So this will be the priority queue order now, right? So this is nothing but top. So we'll store top in some value. So let int int equal to pq dot top. Okay. So top will be containing 2, e. Next, or you can give auto here also. Okay. So you have this in the top and you are storing it. Now this has to be printed, added to the string. So again iterate for in equal to 0, I less than it dot first here because that is containing the frequency I plus plus. So answer plus equals to it dot second, that is the character. Then you have to pop from the priority queue. So as you have stored here, you can just directly give pq dot pop. Yes. So next you return the answer. Until pq dot empty. So instead of following, this should be mine. Yeah. So this is for priority queue. So next I'll show the Java code also. So you could see map, you have each character you um, convert string into the character array and you add to the map. Either if you have already, then you just increment by one. Otherwise, if you don't have, then defaultly we will push it at c comma 0 plus 1. So next list array list we will have as we have used vector. So here array list entry will be of character comma integer. So then we sort based on the this function. After sorting, here we cannot directly modify the string. That's why you use the string builder function. Then you get the value and those many frequency times you append that to the string builder object. So later you convert that to the string and return. So this is first method. The second method is of doing priority queue. So again map, you have the priority queue. Next add all them to the priority queue, then same string builder and until priority queue is empty, you keep on adding. So submit C++ code only. Yeah, successfully submitted. If you understood the concept, please to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll come up with other videos and keep learning. Thank you.